Guys, there's somebody I'd like you to meet. Come on, Marcel. What do you say you and I do a little mingling?
I made a man with eyes of coal and a smile so bewitching. How was I supposed to know that my mom was dead in the kitchen?
Ugly naked guy is decorating his tree. Oh my God, you should see the size of his Christmas balls.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Wiper blades. I don't even have a car.
No, but with this new car smell, you'll think you do. They're ribbed for your pleasure.
It's like Night of the Living Dead Christmas tree.
There you go. Enjoy.
Hey, stop that young lady! She donated trash!
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. Wow.
Why is everybody using these tiny little lights nowadays? I remember when people used to use big lights.
Monica's letting other people help decorate her tree. Did someone get her drunk again, or?
And we're done. Ta-da! Oh, yes.
I'm the Holiday Armadillo!
Oh, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays from Mona and Ross.
If what you and your wife have is so great, then why are you spending Christmas with me?
Oh.